Hi, I'm Rovena. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to prepare pathrode using a twist, Rovena's chicken sukka masala and coconut milk. Let's prepare the steam cake batter using rice, green gram and some spices. Our batter is ready. Let's add chopped colocasia leaves or taro leaves and spread them over teak leaves and steam for 30 minutes. Let's prepare a flavorful curry using Rovena's chicken sukka masala for soaking these steam cakes and enjoy the taste of tradition. Find the complete video for this recipe in my YouTube channel Spices and Aromas. Elevate your pathrode preparations with Rovena masala and enjoy a flavor-packed feast. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.